Namo Buddhaya. Welcome you all wonderful people and my dear sons and daughters. This is the second video of Essence of Buddhism video series. In the last video, we learned the first verse of where the Buddha describes about the essence of Buddhism. So in this video, I'm going to share with you the second verse, right? So if you haven't watched the first video, just check out this video right here. You can learn about the first verse that teaches us about the essence of Buddhism. Right, let's get to the verse first. So in this verse, Buddha teaches us special qualities that we have to practice in our life. So first of all, I will chant it for you and you have to listen it closely, and after that, let's learn the meaning. The verse goes like this. Khanti paramang tapotitikha Nibbanang paramang vadanti buddha Nahi pabbajito parupaghati Samano hoti parang vihetayanto. So let's learn the meaning of this verse. Khanti paramang tapotitikha. Buddha teaches us the patience is the highest virtue that you can practice in this world. Now, how can we be patient? Now, Buddha teaches that you have to be patient when people speak rude words to you, right? Most of the time, when people blames us, when people criticizes us, when people say mean things to us, what is the normal reaction, natural reaction of ourselves? The anger, the rude words, right? This is the natural reaction. Buddha said, no, don't react in anger, right? Be patient. Now, being patient does not mean enduring or tolerating the things out of fear. You should not be fear of anyone, right? You don't want to be fear of the person who is speaking rude to you, but still, what you have to do, patience means really being patient or tolerating these things positively, right? He's afraid of losing his temper. He doesn't like to lose his temper and speak rude words. Now, when you become patient, Buddha said, you should not hate the person who is speaking rude words to you, right? Is it very easy? No, it's very difficult, right? Now, most of the people say, when I say these things, like, it's very easy for you to say to be patient, but it's very difficult in the practical world. Yes, it is very difficult. Even we, the monks, have to go through such situations. Even we have to practice patience. We have to be kind to people sometimes. We should not let our anger to take action. Otherwise, if we keep on doing these evil things, if we keep on practicing the anger, hatred, and selfishness, there will be no value in our life. There will be no good in our life. And that is why Buddha said, you have to be patient. And also Buddha said, you have to be patient when you're going through hard and tough situations, either physically, mentally, or socially. Sometimes you have to go through tough situations in your body. You may fall ill. You may have so many difficult, painful feelings inside your body. Buddha said, be patient. Don't lose your temper. Don't be angry when you're having the physical pains. Most of the time, when you're having a physical pain inside, when your body is paining, maybe you're having a disease, you tend to lose your temper. If you visit the hospital, you will see those patients, right? Those patients who are having severe pains, they even blame the doctors. They even blame the people who are treating them to you. to them. So Buddha said, be patient in such situations. Practice the patience. Okay? Then you will not lose your good qualities. Nibbanang paramang vadanti Buddha. Buddha said, the enlightenment is the highest achievement that you can achieve in this world. Now in Buddhism, everything boils down to Nibbana. That is the only intention and that is the only aim of practicing the Buddha's teachings. Now you may be wondering what is enlightenment is. Enlightenment is a deep and a profound topic where we have to discuss in a separate video series. Surely I will do it in the future, but for now, for your understanding, for a simple explanation, Buddha said, Ragakkayo, dosakkayo, mohakkayo, nibbanang. The ending of the desire or the greediness or the greed, dosakkayo, the ending of the anger, and the ending of the delusion or the ego is what you call the Nibbana, the enlightenment. So when you end or when you remove these defilements or these impurities from your mind, the desire, the lust or the desire or the greediness, or Buddha said, the hatred, the anger, and the delusion from your mind, what happens to you, you become enlightened. Once you become enlightened, your mind becomes calm, still, peaceful, and tranquilized. And it is unshakable. That enlightenment, that achievement is unshakable. So that is the highest achievement in the Buddha's teachings. Nibbanang paramang vadanti Buddha. Nahi pabbajito paropaghati. Now this is referred to the monks actually. Buddha gives the advice to the monks. Nahi pabbajito paropaghati. He who hates and hurt others or kill others is not a monk. Right? He's not a monk. He's not a true practitioner of the Buddha's teachings. Samano hoti parang vihetayanto. He who hurts others or he who makes others tired and difficult times to others is not a monk too. Right? That is referred to the monks, and also you can relate it to your life. And you will not become a good person when you hate and when you hurt others. So Buddha said, Etang buddhana sasanang. This is the advice of the Buddhas to this world. Be patient. Achieve the enlightenment and do not hurt and hate others. This is the advice of all the Buddhas to this world. Now see how peaceful and how wonderful the thoughts of our Buddha and the advice of our Buddha. So we all can practice this. So as Buddhists and as everyone who practice this, if you practice this and if you go through this advice, you can have a peaceful life, right? You can have the happiness in your life. So practice it and do good and be good. Namo Buddhaya.